So we have a list of tasks in front of us, and in this list we can see that many of the records appear to have spaces in front of them. And this can happen when a new task or a new record is being saved into the database, that spaces can be saved along with it. Now, how to solve this? To prevent this from happening, we will use the operator trimmed. Now we will see how to apply it. To do this, we will go into the workflow section where we are creating a new task, and next to the part where we are saving the input name's value, we will add the trimmed operator by clicking more and then looking for the trimmed operator. We will add it next to the input name's value in the workflow. Now, when we go back to the page and try creating a new record with spaces along with it, we will see that the spaces that we entered while entering the record have been removed. So, this is how the trimmed operator works, by removing the spaces from the start and the end of a text string and helping us create a clean database. So, the next time you add any value into a database, apply trim next to it so that you're not adding any unwanted spaces into a database and you are maintaining a clean record. To learn about how the other operators work, follow the Bubblingo operator series. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.